Aloha! So those of you that have short hair, you can actually use the CreaClip to trim your hair. So all you're going to do is gather all the hair up top here, okay? And you're going to clip the CreaClip on. Using a mirror, you're going to clip it upwards like this. It's going to help hold the hair in place while you trim. And so all you have to do is clip it on, slide it up to the top, and you're going to trim. You're just going to trim the little tips of your hair. So even for short women's haircut, you can use this to trim the top of the hair. It's going to make it last longer. It's going to help you create a little bit more volume, and so that you can just, again, style it, make your haircut a little shorter and more manageable in the front. And it'll create a little bit more volume. See there? That's all you have to do. Just clip the CreaClip up top and trim. And now if the back part of the crown of your head is a little bit too flat, again, just gather as much hair as you can, clip it to the top, and then trim. The CreaClip makes it easy because you can gather all the hair at once and trim it all at once. And there you go. That's it. That's all you have to do. Let me show you what it looks like. So it just layers the hair really nicely, like that. Okay. There you go. You can also use the CreaClip for short hair, especially on pixie haircuts. You just gather all the top of the hair, clip it on, and trim. There you go. A little quick technique for short hair. Short hair, even for men. Men can use the same technique.